What is up, guys? Random footage from Ron here, and today marks an exciting video, an exciting milestone, and something that I have been working towards for a really long time. Buying my first, let's call it an exotic car. So this is my new to me 2004 Dodge Viper Mamba SRT 10, whatever you want to call it. She's got plenty of names and it's awesome. Let's jump inside and check out that beautiful red interior. Sitting in this car is an experience that I haven't gotten to enjoy yet. It's red, it's bright, there's gauges everywhere. It's awesome. Speedometer goes all the way up to 220 big ones. Oh man, this thing's amazing. You heard from the cold start, it does have an aftermarket exhaust, which is sick. Let me just first real quick. I know we got this Dodge Viper right here. Look how good this thing looks. I know there's no wing on it. It's getting clear coated from my buddy Chris, whose FD is actually in my garage. But we're prepped up for Miatas at the Gap. I figured why not throw the brand all over it. Yeah, that's what you do when you're out there filming and stuff. But man, oh man. Let me pop this big ass hood and show you guys where the heart of this animal actually is. The hood just keeps going and going and going. Look at that. A beautiful 8.3 liter V10 engine. It's a little rough looking. Plan on repowder coating that, pretty it up. Man, doesn't that look so mean? Look at that. That's not something you want to see creeping up behind you, you know, in some traffic on the highway. You got these big rear wheels. They're like that wide. For the people who are way smarter than me, I don't know, let's call it 20 inches. That shit is giant. I just can't get over every angle of this car. It's gorgeous. It's wide, it's low, it's long, all the L's plus all the W's. This thing is just beautiful. I've already burned my leg 5 or 6 times on the side exit exhaust, but that's bound to happen. A little bit of dirt on her because I do live out in the country. That's part of the life out here. So yeah, we're gonna go for a ride in this thing in a few minutes. I'm gonna give my brother actually his first ride, so that's exciting. So let's talk about what else has been going on around random footage from Ron's garage. The Skyline. We actually just got it dyno tuned with Freddie at Spec Tune. I'll go ahead and put the dyno video here. So this beautiful piece of machinery actually made 420 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque. It drove the hour down there, hour and a half dyno session, the hour and a half drive home, thanks Florida highway traffic, all the way to just burn the fuel pump up the second I got home. So I'll show you guys real quick what happened back there. But this thing is spicy, let me say. So fuel pump wiring actually melted. The hot in the ground, so I redid everything with hotter wiring going into the fuel pump. I redid like the through connectors with beefier stuff, new fuel pump. The only thing I didn't change out the relay is the relay, sorry, and that still might come because everything's still getting just a little warmer than I feel like it should. But again, I've never held all those wires before, so we're actually going to take this out in a little bit too. This thing is spicy. I mean, it was a completely different car. He just went through everything and increased the drivability a 1000. The Miata, as you can see, we put Anime Girl on the side of it. Got the YouTube and the Instagram badges on it. Wings getting re-cleared with this beautiful pearl in it. And I also have new door panels that we'll put on from LRB Speed. In probably the next couple of days, I'll make a video working on that and just finishing up the prep for Miatas at the Gap. But she does look pretty good for old Miata. Man, I shall say, just its angles, it's beautiful. You got the Miata, a big Miata, a Japanese Miata. No, I'm just joking, but you know me. My range and taste of cars is such an odd taste. Let me show you guys what's in the garage that's not mine, so you guys can just appreciate the beauty of Mazda's engineering. Man, aired out, looking good, all black. This thing is clean, making my RX-7 look like an antique. Speaking of this thing, I know, I have not done anything with it at all. I'm getting there. I have the hood open for like 3 months now. I fixed a brake fluid leak for it to just gain 2 new brake fluid leaks, and I just have not felt the motivation with how busy life's been with the house and work and everything to dive into this project yet. But it's coming soon. When that's done, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. If y'all wanna see content with this, leave a comment below. If you guys don't care about this car, also leave a comment below. Because, I don't know, this car's on the chopping block, but I haven't raised the axe yet to chop its head off. So, man, oh man, having this car in here looks good. Phew, all the cars, they look so good. So how about this? Let's finish up talking. Let's jump in the Skyline and do a sick drive because, you know, y'all have to appreciate where we came from. And then we'll jump in the Viper and go for a rip in that so you can see what it's like. Well, guys, after the first pull, the car does feel super good. So I'm hoping my fuel pump fixed it. He also added flames on D-cell, which it's kind of hard to tell in the car, but I'll hopefully get a cool camera one day to film that. So we're gonna do like an easy pull just so you guys can kind of see what this car is like. So. Holy crap! That's insane. Oh man, it gets me jumping. As you can see, we're in a completely different type of car now. So this is the Viper, and this thing is absolutely beautiful. The acceleration, the pull part of this video won't be as long as the Skyline because in that same amount of time we go a lot faster in this car, and I don't want to be doing crazy speeding like that. I'll just let you guys hear it a little bit. Speed limit. Oh man, I love this thing so much. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this short sweet video just kind of introducing the Viper. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet other than just drive it and enjoy it and drive it and enjoy it. I think it has an aftermarket exhaust. We're going to put it on a lift this weekend and check that. Other than that, probably just do some intakes. I mean, really more than that, lower it a little bit, you know, be a little stance boy. But man, this thing looks good. Well guys, like always, thanks for watching the video. And if you enjoy it, remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment. What do you want to see? You want to see this Viper dumped on its ass, taking reflectors off the street? Maybe that's what we do with it. The Skyline, she's doing amazing. We definitely need to make more content with it, whether it's just drifting or doing donuts or whatever we want to do. All right, I'm gonna go get inside, take a shower. It's hot as hell outside because it's muggy Florida. If you're still here, comment the word Viper down below so I know who the real ones are. I appreciate everybody that leaves a view though. See you guys later. Peace.